You're still hesitating, aren't you? Another day has gone by, and you're scrolling through YouTube, reading blogs, listening to podcasts. You've typed how to make money online into the search bar so many times, you could probably do it in your sleep. But your bank account doesn't look any different. Your life doesn't feel any closer to that freedom you keep dreaming about. The truth is, most people don't fail because they don't know what to do. They fail because they don't start. Let me say that again. People fail not because they don't have the tools. They fail because they never take the first step. There's this idea of the perfect moment. When you've saved up enough time, when you feel confident enough, when your plan is perfect. But let's be honest, that moment never comes. You wait for confidence, but confidence only shows up after you act. You wait for the right tools, but you already have a phone and internet. You wait to become the person who makes money online, but the only way to become that person is by doing. And that's exactly why I want to talk to you about PLR. Because PLR is the most beginner-friendly way to start building online income today. Not tomorrow, not next month. Today, PLR stands for private label rights. That means someone else has already done the hard work. They've written the ebook, they've made the templates, they've designed the materials, and you get to buy those products and resell them as your own. Yes, you heard that right. You can take a digital product created by someone else, put your name on it, customize it if you want, and start selling. That's not cheating. That's called being smart. That's called leverage. That's how digital entrepreneurs scale without burning out. You're not trying to reinvent the wheel. You're just getting the wheel rolling. Let's imagine this. You download a self-care ebook from Money Archive. You open Canva, change the cover image, put your name on the front. You upload it to Gumroad or StanStore or PayHip. You make a 30-second video on Instagram Reels, talking about why self-care matters. You drop the link, and boom, you've just launched a digital product business in a single afternoon. Is it perfect? Maybe not. Is it professional? Absolutely. Is it real? 100%. And the best part? You can keep repeating this. You can do this every week. You can build a whole catalog of digital products without ever writing a single book from scratch. And if you think people don't buy digital products anymore, you're wrong. People are more willing than ever to pay for ready-made solutions. We're all busy. We don't want to spend 30 hours researching. We want a guide, a system, a done-for-you toolkit. That's why PLR works. It saves people time. And when you save people time, they will pay you. There are creators who made $300 in their first month just by selling one ebook a day. There are moms who built side hustles during nap time using PLR. There are freelancers who replaced their client work by selling digital bundles on autopilot. None of these people were special. They just decided to start. They used what they had. And that's exactly what you can do. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be famous. You don't need to have 10,000 followers. You just need one thing: action. Start messy. Start scared. Start anyway, because the truth is, no one remembers how you started, but they'll remember the results you created. Now let's get practical. How do you do this? Step 1. Go to Money Archive. The link is in the description. Step 2. Choose a product. Let's say you pick a PLR guide on personal finance. Step 3. Customize it. Change the title. Add your name. Maybe rewrite the intro or add a bonus page. Step 4. Upload it to a platforms. StanStore is great for beginners. So is Gumroad. Step 5. Promote it. Make a short video. Post on social. Email a few friends. And step 6. Repeat. That's how you build momentum. Not with one product, but with consistency, with persistence, with patience. This isn't about getting rich overnight. This is about building real digital income on your terms, at your pace. And don't underestimate what that can mean. An extra $300 a month could cover groceries. $1,000 could pay your rent. $5,000 could replace your full-time job. And more importantly, it gives you something bigger: freedom, confidence, control. This isn't just about money. It's about becoming someone who doesn't wait anymore. Someone who doesn't keep hitting the snooze button on their dreams. Someone who builds, creates, earns, and inspires. That someone is you. You're already halfway there. You found this video. You listened this far. That means you care. That means something inside you is ready. So don't ignore that voice. Don't close this video and go back to scrolling. Do the one thing that changes everything. Click the link. Download your first PLR product. Customize, publish, promote, profit. That's the formula. It's not magic. It's not fake. It's just action. And you're only one action away. One download, one upload, one link from finally saying, I did it. I started, I'm on my way. So go now. Don't wait. Because the only difference between you and the people making money online is that they started, and now it's your turn. Let's go build something that pays you, something that frees you, something that proves to yourself that you are not stuck, that you are capable, that you can turn ideas into income. Starting right now. Click the link, download, and begin.